So this video is set to teach you how to use ChatGPT for academic purposes like essays, research, articles, and so on. Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I want to talk about an amazing tool that has been a game changer for me and my research journey. It's called ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a powerful AI tool that generates human-like responses via text. To me, it's like having a project supervisor that is available to you 24/7. That's how good it is. There are several ways in which you can use ChatGPT, but today I'm just going to be discussing 5 different ways in which you can use ChatGPT. And if you want me to answer other questions, you can just drop it in the comment section below. So the first way to use ChatGPT is to use it to understand concepts. For instance, if you are given an essay to talk about social determinants of health, so you can just use ChatGPT to understand what social determinants of health is, so that when searching on Google for social determinants of health or when looking for publications, you know what you are looking for. You are specific to what you are looking for. Also, ChatGPT can be used as a paraphrasing tool. So for instance, I've written an article of 2,000 words, and I want to paraphrase it such that it doesn't look plagiarized. So I can copy that essay and paste it in ChatGPT, and ChatGPT is going to help me paraphrase, or rather paraphrase this essay in a better way. Also, ChatGPT can be useful for referencing. You know, we have different style of referencing research work. So we have the upper style, we have the upper style, and so on. So for instance, you already got the framework of what you want to use, but for instance, you already have the volume, the issue, the title, the DOI of particular essay, but you don't know how to arrange it properly. All you just need to do is to put it together and tell ChatGPT to help you reference it in this style. So ChatGPT is going to do that for you. Or if you don't have it complete, you can also paste it and ChatGPT would complete the citation for you. Also, another way to use ChatGPT is you can use ChatGPT to reduce word counts. For instance, you were told to write an essay of 2,000 words and you've written an essay of 3,000 words, and you want to have like a summarized version of that essay in 2,000 words. You can paste it in ChatGPT and tell ChatGPT to help you to put the words together or reduce the word count of that particular essay, and it will do that for you. Also, ChatGPT can give you outline of an essay. For instance, I have an essay question and you don't know how to go about it. You can ask ChatGPT to tell you how to write it, to tell you what to put in the introduction, what to put in the body, and what to put in the conclusion, such that you have a framework to work with. Lastly, ChatGPT can also help you to write your essays. For instance, you were given to write an essay about a particular topic, you put it in ChatGPT and ChatGPT will write the essay for you. However, this essay is not recommended because there is no referencing of these essays, and it's not also the best essay to use. So ChatGPT writing the essay for you is just for you to have an idea of how the essay should look like, but it shouldn't be copied and pasted. The usage of ChatGPT is not complex. All you just have to do is to click on the link below. Start the conversation. You just need to log in and then you can start the conversation right away. You can ask ChatGPT any question and it will answer you. And if the questions are too tricky, like questions about war, questions about, it won't answer you. So if you like this YouTube channel, don't just watch and go. Please like and subscribe, and most importantly, comment. Let me know what you think.